Hey guys, thanks so much for coming back and tuning in. Today I am going to be comparing At Home and the Container Store. Both of these stores sell organizing equipment and focus on the home environment. So in this video, I am going to take you on a little field trip and we're going to go take a look. I'm going to be comparing price point, overall quality, and overall experience. Stay tuned. This is Lauren and you're watching Orderly Conduct. All right, so first place on the list is At Home. So I'm gonna go in, take a look around and see if they have what I need. I love how this store has different basket size options. I thought this was so cool. Okay, first thing I noticed right away is that they have a lot of clearance options and under $10 options, which I think is great. So the first place I'm going is the clearance spot because I'm a bargain shopper like that. So we'll see. So this is the clearance section. And as you can see, it was a little overwhelming, even for me. What I can say about this place is that they have baskets on baskets on baskets on baskets, okay? I think this is so cool. I just wanted to show you guys this in my one of my other videos. I mentioned storing your clothes away for a season, all the out of season clothes, store them away so that they're not in the way of your closet. And I think something like this is like perfect for storing your clothes away. It stacks on top of each other. It opens somewhere, I'm sure, but it looks like a drawer actually, which is even cooler because you can kind of fold them away and tuck them, and it doesn't look like it, uses a lot of space. I just wanted to show you guys how many cool like bases they have here. If you are a home stager or interior designer, this is like a really good store to go to. Or if you're starting to freelance as a home stager or interior designer, you can come here and check these spaces out. And again, they have a lot of cool stuff on clearance as well. So come take a look. All right, so I don't know about you guys, but after visiting the At Home store, I kind of felt like it was just a little bit cluttered. Like a lot of things were just kind of thrown on the shelves. I think more that the At Home store would probably be more comparable to Bed Bath & Beyond than the Container Store, just because they sell like general home goods. So like not specifically just organizing product. They did have a really large organizing section, which I thought was great. And as you can see from the video, there were just tons of baskets and tons of container options. So I thought that was great. I will say that again, they weren't really organized. So I'm concerned more that if I buy something from At Home, they won't necessarily have the inventory for me to want to get more of that item, just because I just kind of saw a whole bunch of different stuff. And that could probably be because they are having a big sale right now and they're probably just clearing out some inventory from the summer, which makes a lot of sense. But that would be my primary concern. I love that they had so much decorative items. I'm definitely gonna go back for more decorating vases or fall harvest season type stuff. I just loved it. I was in heaven just looking at the decorating equipment and just all that stuff. But as far as organizing equipment, I will say that they do have things that I would want to use. But again, I'm concerned about the inventory. What if I need more? It doesn't seem like there is a place that has a reliable inventory. So ordering online probably would be recommended for this type of store. Their price point was right in the middle. It wasn't like Walmart low or just super reasonable, but it was like right in the middle. I like the fact that they did have a lot of sale options, and it was pretty good. I have to be honest, I didn't get a lot of customer service there. There wasn't any associates on the floor asking if anyone needed any help. There weren't anyone greeting. There wasn't a real personal connection. It was just like a big warehouse full of just home goods, and you get what you get. The signs are there. There were maybe 2 cashiers in the front, and I didn't get a lot of like hands-on customer service, which is good or bad. It depends on who you are. If some people don't like that when they're shopping, and some people do. And I'm one of those people that really like that, because I like to know that there's someone around that's watching if I have any questions. So the next place I'm going to be going is the Container Store. I am already pretty familiar with the Container Store after working with clients and buying from them in the past, and I have never been disappointed, to be honest. So I've only been to one location though, in Northern California, and I loved it. It was really close to my house, and it was just amazing. So I'm gonna go back to the Container Store in this video to kind of see if I want to continue to buy my product from them, and just to compare the 2 stores. Now we are headed to the Container Store to evaluate and determine if this is a store I want to get my items from. And today I have some helpers with me. Say hi.
Hi. God bless you.
All right, we're off. All right, guys, so we arrived. We're here at the Container Store, and according to that note on the door, they are closed until tomorrow. Google said they were open, and they're not. So, my face right now. Drove all the way over here. So we'll just have to try again tomorrow. Y'all, hands down, okay? I already kind of have a bias because I have an experience with the Container Store, but I was kind of like in heaven after going in there again. Like, they have everything from closets to shelves to kitchen, like a whole section. Like, the kitchen section in itself could be a store. The closet section could be a store. Like, everything that you can think of. And I feel that their containers are designed uniquely. Like, when you buy something from that store, they kind of have like a unique sort of design and quality of their own. I noticed their containers kind of have things that you just don't really think about, and I'm not sure if it's just, you know, the certain brand or the wholesalers that they have, but I am in love. So I'm sold. I think I'm gonna stick to one store and stick to what I'm used to. I think the at-home store is a great place to go if I'm on a certain budget, if I'm just looking for 1 or 2 of a specific item. I think the at-home store is great. The Container Store has a little bit of a higher price point. I would say it's very, very similar to at-home. At-home definitely have more promotions, more sales. At the Container Store, I was greeted right away, multiple times. There was an associate walking the floor asking me if I needed any help. They said hello, they said goodbye. There was someone wiping down carts. There were people visible on the floor and active. So if I had any questions, I knew who I can go to, I knew who I can access, and that's what I would say. So my experience was much better, I think, at the Container Store. I think I'm gonna stick to what I know. If this video helped you out at all, I want you to give it a thumbs up. I want you to stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more on how to keep your home organized. Until next week, thanks so much for tuning in. Have a blessed day.